mechanics on the track.
Some days me miss the only. Me happy one time I done pass. 7 days and I didn't want it. Me didn't want life to take, but that be my last. Risk coulda freeze up. Still me no know the hour death woulda sneak up. Before you preach it, make sure your heart right. Any day man drop like a teacup. Them time they do matter. The time now no exclude. Bread fuel butter. To live life without an excuse. Them time them you eat from the pot to a pile punk coal. I side off the mud one hide on my toe. The dark switch like sling mob. If you go lie and seek in a jungle that's still on my home. Where they camouflage that not on my armor. Defeat never break me cause man I'm a warrior. Survive dark time when some had it darker. And the light that shine on the smile of my daughter. Hell hotter so the fire that brings can only by truck. No matter how tired my life, God knows I won't stop. Rest coulda freeze up. Still I know the hour death woulda sneak up. Before you preach church, make sure your heart right. Any day man drop like a teacup. Them time they do matter. The time now not exclude. Bread fuel butter. To live life without an excuse. Yesterday won't just scar me, wear it like metal. When the battle soon over here come the devil. When the trail is smooth I'm more pump for my level. When me find my spiritual peace I heap more trouble. But in my regime I rise out from the trouble. No more tea cause I'm done with the struggle. Forward my step no respect for the trouble. Damage I'm broken but the smile on my face no makeup. Shall hear my silent prayer whenever I wake up. Don't me like a stone but me smooth up to the rough cut. No matter the trial, the fight I won't stop. Hell hotter so the fire them bring can only belch up. No matter how tired my life, God knows I won't stop. Risk coulda freeze up. Still me no know the hour death woulda sneak up. Before you preach it, make sure your heart right. Any day man drop like a teacup. Them time they do matter. The time now no exclude.
Mechanics on the
Bread
track.
fuel butter. To live life without an excuse.